Bread. It's humble, warm, and kind of magical. But what is it, really? At its heart, bread is a simple mix of flour, water, salt,
I wake up to a little
and
bit of
something that
drool
makes
on my
it
pillow,
rise,
feel like it's gonna be a
yeast
bad
or
day.
baking powder.
Yeah, I'm tired
That
of shit,
rise
and the
creates
coffee
a
ain't
chewy,
hit yet,
airy
damn, ain't
structure
that great.
thanks to gluten or
I don't
clever
wanna go to
chemistry.
work, cause my boss is a
From
jerk,
there
and I'm
to
not even that
possibilities
paid.
explode.
I
Here
need
are
a
the
change in my
types
life,
in a
cause I
tasty
don't feel
nutshell.
alive, and there's nothing that
Flatbread,
makes me happy.
tortillas,
Hold my beer
pita,
for a minute,
naan,
I'm about to quit my job,
fast,
cash in for a
flexible,
ticket. I'm going on a
perfect for
trip, and I
scooping
don't
and
plan to
wrapping.
visit. I'm gonna stay
Yeasted
there
loaves,
till I feel like I'm
baguettes
winning
and
all.
sandwich bread,
And this is just
classic
the
rise,
beginning. I need a
crisp
big
crust
change,
and
help me
soft
feel
crunch.
like living. I need a big swing,
Sourdough,
home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never
well-fermented
look
and
back.
tangy.
Moving on till I
Slow,
get it all.
complex flavor from
And
wild
we all
yeast.
got dreams.
Quick breads,
We all
banana
want
bread,
things.
muffins,
But
no
what you gonna
yeast,
do for it?
just
How you
baking
gonna
powder
move
or
for it? What you
soda.
gonna be?
Enriched breads,
And do you
brioche,
believe
parlor, buttery,
do
eggy, and little decadent.
But what you gonna do for
Whole
it? How
grain
you
or
gonna move for it?
sweet,
What you gonna
hearty and
be?
nutty, packed with fiber. Gluten-free, inventive blends for those who need alternatives. Bread is culture, comfort, and creativity. Every loaf tells a story. Try baking or tasting a new type this week. You might find a new favorite.
Hey.
Like, subscribe, and share the joy
Yeah,
of
this
bread.
is my life, my
See you
strife,
next
my
time.
right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous.